Less than 30 minutes from Austin is what many people call the most beautiful town square in Texas. And today we're going to find out if they're right. Welcome to Georgetown, Texas, a town that somehow managed to feel both timeless and full of life. Nestled in the heart of Williamson County, Georgetown has become one of Central Texas' favorite destinations. Known for its historic charm, friendly atmosphere, and one of the prettiest courthouse squares you'll find anywhere in the Lone Star State. The first thing that catches your eye is the stunning Williamson County Courthouse. Completed in 1911, this beautiful Beaux-Arts masterpiece anchors the downtown square and has become the symbol of Georgetown itself. Its towering clock, elegant architecture, and beautifully landscaped grounds make it one of the most photographed courthouses in Texas, and it's easy to see why. But what really makes Georgetown special isn't just the courthouse, it's the atmosphere. As I walked around the square, there were families strolling the sidewalks, couples enjoying the afternoon, shoppers wandering in and out of local-owned stores, and visitors simply taking their time. In a world where everyone seems to be rushing somewhere, Georgetown invites you to slow down and enjoy the moment. One of my favorite parts of exploring towns like this is discovering the little details that give them character. Historic storefronts line the streets, many of them dating back more than a century. Colorful flowers decorate the sidewalks, unique boutiques offering everything from antiques to handmade gifts, and every corner seems to have another interesting building with a story to tell. Adding to the atmosphere was a talented street musician filling the square with live music. There's just something about hearing someone play while people gather nearby that makes a downtown feel alive. It transformed an ordinary walk into an experience, and Georgetown has mastered that small town charm. As you wander around, you'll also notice several monuments and historical markers that quietly remind visitors of Georgetown's rich past. Founded in 1848 and named after George Washington Glasscock, who donated the land for the new county seat, Georgetown quickly became an important stop for cattle drives, cotton trading, and eventually the railroad. That prosperity helped create many of the beautiful buildings that still surround the square today. One thing I really appreciate is that Georgetown didn't tear down its history to make room for something newer. Instead, the community chose to preserve it. Their commitment to restoring and protecting downtown earned Georgetown national recognition as the first city in Texas to receive the Great American Main Street Award. Today, it's easy to see why people travel from all over the state just to spend an afternoon here. For me, Georgetown isn't trying to be the biggest city in Texas, and that's exactly its strength. It offers beautiful architecture, fascinating history, great local restaurants, friendly people, live music, and a downtown that's genuinely enjoyable to explore on foot. Whether you're visiting for an afternoon, a weekend getaway, or just looking for a fun day trip from Austin, Georgetown delivers far more than you might expect. So, is Georgetown the best small town in Texas? Before we answer that question, I want to stop by Mikey V's Tacos. I've heard a lot about it. It is a local favorite that's become well known for serving creative tacos packed with bold Texas flavors. Heading there, I'm noticing that the area is starting to fill up more, and I can understand why. It's a beautiful day out, and the weekend is relaxing and makes you want to linger just a little bit longer. It's easy to understand why Georgetown continues to attract new residents while still holding on to the character that people fall in love with in the first place. Here we are at Mikey V's Tacos. So it is known for its fresh ingredients, generous portions, and plenty of personality, making it exactly the kind of place you hope to stumble across when exploring a small town. Sometimes these local restaurants really highlight your trip to a place like Georgetown, Texas. I decided to get something light, so I got a carnitas street taco. After lunch, I headed back onto the square for one last walk. After spending the day here, I can definitely understand why so many people think that Georgetown is in fact the best small town in Texas. This was my first visit, and I already know I'll be back. There's still Blue Hole Park, Inner Space Cavern, Southwestern University, the famous Red Poppy Festival, and plenty of hidden gems that deserve their own adventures. If you enjoy discovering unique towns, local history, hidden gems, and unforgettable places across Texas and beyond, make sure you follow along with me, as there will be plenty more Georgetown adventures and many more curious Perro road trips coming your way. Until next time, stay curious.